Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a group over on TikTok. So if you want to create a group over on TikTok, it's really easy. The first thing you need to do is of course open the TikTok app. Then the second thing we are going to do is we are going to go to any video you want to share in the group. Then what you want to do is you want to go to the share button, and now we're going to share it to 4 different people, just like this. Once you have selected 4 or more people, the create group option will pop up, and that's how you can create a group over on TikTok. However, we can see that on my device the create group option is not there yet. And that is simply because the create group option on TikTok is currently in beta, which means that not everyone has it and it's only out for a certain amount of beta testers, which are randomly chosen. So yeah, some people who are watching this video right now have the option and some people don't. If you don't have the option, you just have to wait. There's nothing we can do. Just have to wait till it is rolling out to everyone. So yeah, that's currently how you can get the create group option over on TikTok and what you should do if you don't have the option yet, which is simply waiting till a new update comes out for TikTok. If you learned something from this video, then I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.